Zero Discrimination Day is an annual day celebrated by the UN and other international organizations. The day aims to promote equality before the law and in practice throughout all of the member countries of the UN. The day was first celebrated on March 1st, 2014, and it was launched by UNAIDS Executive Director Michel Sidib on 27 February of that year with a major event in Beijing. In February 2017, UNAIDS called on people to make some noise around zero discrimination, to speak up and prevent discrimination from standing in the way of achieving ambitions, goals, and dreams. Organizations like United Nations actively promote the day with various activities to celebrate everyone's right to live a full life with dignity regardless of age, gender, sexuality, nationality, ethnicity, skin, color, height, weight, profession, education, and beliefs. Many countries have laws against discrimination, but it's still a problem in all layers of society in every country in the world. Many countries have and still use discrimination as a way of governing. The symbol for Zero Discrimination Day is a butterfly, widely used by people to share their stories and photos as a way to end discrimination and work towards positive transformation. The UN first celebrated Zero Discrimination Day on March 1st, 2014 after UNAIDS and UN program on human immunodeficiency virus and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome launched its Zero Discrimination campaign on World AIDS Day in December 2013. We are now seeing an outpouring of solidarity with people protesting in the streets against systematic and brutal discrimination. We need to fight against discrimination because only if we are united, we will build back together after COVID-19. You may recall Hillary Clinton's 2016 presidential concession speech as one of her most memorable but and the truly remarkable address took place in September 1995. She highlighted the need for women to be protected and respected. She called for an end to violence against women and demanded that women be treated equally. She asked that women be given the same access to education, the same freedom of speech, and the same societal and political rights as men. Black Lives Matter, yes, it's a decentralized political and social movement advocating for non-violent civil disobedience in protest against incidents of police brutality and all racially motivated violence against black people. The movement returned to national headlines and gained further international attention during the global George Floyd protest in 2020 following the killing of George Floyd by the police officer Derek Chauvin. Gay Pride or LGBT Pride. It is a promotion of the self-affirmation, dignity, equality, and increased visibility of lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people as a social group. Pride, as opposed to shame and social stigma, is the predominant outlook that bolsters most LGBT rights movement. Be a human rights champion. Stop discrimination and violence. It is not the way to solve a problem. All human beings are equal and should have the equal opportunity. Our ability to reach unity in diversity will be the beauty and the test of our civilization. To bring about a change, you must not be afraid to take the first step. Discrimination is a burden that confuses the past, threatens the future, and renders the present inaccessible. So, stop discrimination, end prejudices, erase stereotypes, spread love with open minds, wide arms, and compassionate eyes. Thank you.